guys, welcome back to Let's Explore with us.
So I have two pets. This is my first little baby pet.
It's Shaira.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So today we are gonna talk about our friendship
Talk. Okay. A story.
Yeah.
When we first met. Okay. So let's start
Yeah.
our video.
First we met on June.
Ending week.
Yeah, ending week.
Because we don't know the exact date. Okay. Of meeting because we forgot, I guess. Okay.
So first, before we talk about more about it, we're gonna show you the view. So this is the view. As you can see, there's a little sunshine coming out of the
and
clouds.
it's looking like an angel land. Okay. Almost like a heaven.
Yeah. So you can see that sunlight that coming between
Like
the
a small
clouds.
patch.
Yeah.
Okay. So now let's start.
Before starting, please
Like, share, comment and subscribe to Let's Explore with us.
Yeah.
And please comment how is the view in the comment section below.
Yes. So now let's start our video. So
Guys, my brother and my mother, we three were gardening outside.
and then my mother came out and they were talking.
Chit-chatting something, okay?
Yeah. And then Sahasra, she was so scared. She went into her room, literally.
And I was hiding in my room, okay? Seriously, guys, okay? So, all will be shy, na, guys. So, my father forced me to come out. Okay,
Yeah, her
to
father came out then that time. So her father forced her to come out. So then she came out, and then also she was hiding, like literally hiding.
Okay. No, she's saying all false, guys. Don't believe
Do
in her.
not believe her. I saw it with my two eyes. So the first day we talked about snakes, insects, but we talked about lot of snakes. That's our real incidents.
Okay. So, Unmisha is going to tell her incident. Okay.
Yeah. So we used to live in Kerala. So then my age was 4 years only. Only 4 years. Tons of incidents happened to me with
But
snakes.
one of them is this.
Yeah, I'm gonna only tell you only one of it. So when I was small, I was bored. I watched TV and I was going out for playing with my friends. So when I was searching for them, I saw under my car there was a snake drinking petrol, like literally drinking petrol. We used to have front yard, as you know. Do you know front yard means like small garden? Okay, the front yard, we used to have front yard. So then that time I was going to play. So the snake, we had some drains under the car, so that whenever we wash a car, the water goes into the drains without going anywhere or stopping it anywhere. So we used to have drains. So then I saw this particular snake, only one snake, that was drinking petrol. Like I was seriously shocked.
Her a lot.
Yeah, I was shocked a lot. I don't even understand why was a snake drinking petrol. So then I ran into my house like a Ferrari. Like you will not imagine how I ran. I also fell when
And she was crying as well, and she fell down as well, and she got a big hurt as well.
Has it all. Then I woke up my grandmother and my mother, and then they took big sticks and brooms. So to throw the snake out somewhere.
Where it could live peacefully.
Yeah.
Without
As you
disturbing
know-
anyone.
Yeah, as you know, Kerala is full of snakes and creepy stuff. So that was the season of rainy.
Rainy season, so many snakes would be there, I guess.
Yeah, so many.
Okay.
Before that, only one incident happened. I will tell you in part 2. But first, I'm gonna continue my story. So then I went and woke up my mother and mom. They took sticks and brooms. Then the snake was under the car still drinking petrol. So my mother took one broom and then she was trying to catch the snake, but it went to other side of the car. Like literally, they have to run for the snake to catch it. So then then the snake, we will be having a hole right under the car. So it went,
petrol.
yeah, not
Filling.
petrol, not the petrol, the car that goes into engine.
Okay, engine pipe.
Yeah, engine pipe stuff that went into that
Finger.
yeah, the thing. Not the thing, the engine system.
Fine.
She's confusing me, guys.
And it was rolled in the engine and sleeping there.
Literally, it was sleeping coiled. It got coiled, like literally. So then my mother opened the engine thing. So then she was trying to poke it down so that it will go through the drain. As I told, there was used to be a drain. So my mother thought if she poke it down, that will go through the drain. But how many hours? Like half an hour they did. They're poking and poking and poking and poking, and then
But the snake was too strong.
yeah, it's too strong. And then it still did not even go. So then I was so scared sitting inside, and I was literally crying through my eyes because I was just only 4 years, guys. So then one uncle came through. Uncle came through by and he was asking what happened, ma'am. So my mother told a story. So then he took a stick that was lying beside the road. So he took the snake and he also started poking the snake with it. So then he also did with half an hour poking of it. Then this still did not come out. So then my mother called my father and the father brought another uncle with him. So then they all started poking it for an hour, and I was still locked inside because I only locked it because I wish the snake did not come because I'm so scared of it.
Okay. Because she was only 4 years, guys.
See, as she told again. we're telling I'm 4 years for so many times. Okay, now I was only 4 years, as you know. So I was so scared. Then I thought the snake will come inside.
And
so
kill
I
her.
ran. No, not kill me. I ran out like a Ferrari again to my mother, and I hid behind her. She was sitting on the front yard chair.
Fine.
So I went and hiding behind her. The uncles, my dad, and the uncles were poking the snake down. I was kind of bored though, and also I was crying. The other people came out and see what happened over here. What nonsense is happening over here?
Okay.
Okay, not nonsense.
It's not a nonsense. It's an emergency case.
Okay, it was a case, as she told. Emergency.
Okay.
So they all were coming and seeing what is happening here. So then at last, after 2 hours, my father's office, he did not go for 2 hours because the snake did not come out of our car. Yeah. So then after 2 hours of poking, the snake finally came out.
Okay.
Yeah. And when I told this story first time, Sahasra, she was so scared.
Yes, I was so scared, guys. Okay, the incident of her is done.
Not yet done.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so then the snake went, and then no, it did not went. We had to poke it, right, and then it went through the drain. As I told you before, that the drain used to have it. So the drain, and it went swimming, and then everyone left, and I was still crying in my room.
And the incident is completed, guys. Okay. So, guys, you listen to Unmisha's story, right? Now I'm gonna tell you my story, what happened. But it was not about a snake. It was all about a bug, big one. I don't know what it is, but it was lying on my bed. Okay. Then I was so horrified, guys, and I ran out of my room and called my parents. It was all night time.
Guys, she's even scared of a lizard that's crawling on the wall.
Fine. Okay, so I called my parents. My parents said it's almost night time, so go to sleep. It will not do nothing. Okay, it's doing just its work. You go to sleep. Okay, but then also I was so horrified, guys, because it was just lying on my pillow place.
As I told you, she's also scared of a lizard crawling on the
Okay,
wall.
fine. So I just with fear I just went to sleep. When it was morning, I woke up. When I woke up, I was not scared at all. Then my mother reminded me that you are sleeping on the pillow where you saw that bug. Then I was so horrified and screaming to tears. Then what happened, guys? I checked all the pillow, its cover, everything, but no bug was found. So I thought, phew, the bug was gone. Okay, guys. And when this incident happened, I was just 5 years old, guys. Okay, I was just 5 years old. Okay, so this was my incident, and we will tell you in part 2 more incidents what we talked in day 1. Okay.
So then we started talking about our lives, what we did, where we used to
live before
Yeah, and where we used to go to school.
stuff.
Yeah, all the school stuff and our lifing stuff. And then that day only we became the best friends. The next day, her cousin Redima came to visit.
And I introduced to her.
And I thought she was her friend Sanvi because the first day she told me I had a best friend, only one best friend, and the only friend I know in school. So I thought that her cousin was Sanvi.
No, guys. I will introduce Riddhima in our coming up videos. Okay.
Yeah, later, but
Later.
not now.
Okay.
You might have seen her while doing that video when she show her face for the first time. What video was that?
Nothing. I didn't show her.
No, you showed her.
I didn't upload it in your YouTube.
Did.
No.
Yes, you did.
Fine. You see that video and
Yeah,
comment
the
me, guys.
first time she showed her face. Okay, not her, Ridhima,
Fine.
Sahasra.
Mm.
So that then we talked about life, and the next day her came, and I was thinking that she was her friend Sanvi. I did not think that she is her cousin
Then-
Ridhima.
So, guys, we will show a beautiful view to you. This is the second view we're gonna show you.
Yes, that was the first view when we showed. That's not the same thing. So now we're gonna show you the view.
Okay, so enjoy it. So, guys, as you can see, the second view, it's so orangish and beautiful.
Yeah.
So, please,
Comment down below.
which view did you like the most, the first one or the second one? Okay, guys, so the video is gonna go to the end. Okay, and we will tell you more incidents what happened in real life about snakes, insects in our friendship talk part 2. So for now,
Please
like,
share,
comment.
subscribe to
To
our Let's Explore with us. Bye. Meet you in the next video.